Hello students, today we will be learning about accrual basis of accounting. Now last day I have discussed with you what is the meaning of cash basis of accounting, and today I will be discussing with you accrual basis of accounting. Accrual means whenever it is occurring. Okay, so this method follows the system of recording transaction whenever they are occurring in a business. That means immediately you have to record the transaction, whether you are paying the cash or receiving the cash, that is not the matter, that has to be eliminated. The main thing is that you have to record the transaction as and when they are occurring. Okay, now we will be discussing about the advantages of this method. First is accuracy. It gives an accurate or correct position of the financial position of the business, correct picture of the true financial position of a business. Why? Because it considers all the transaction that is taking place during a particular year. Okay, then planning the future, it helps us to take important decision regarding how we will invest our cash, how we will utilize it, etc. Next is investors prefer accrual accounting. Investors will be much more interested in your firm if you follow this method of transaction, keeping record of the transaction, because this does not eliminate the cash basis. Okay, like unlike in cash basis, what happens is we will not consider many of the transaction until unless we are getting the cash for it, but this doesn't happen so in this accrual basis. So this is a much more preferred method for investors. Now the only disadvantage or the major disadvantage of this method is that it needs a regular basis of reporting system and an efficient management or efficient professional for recording this type of transactions. Okay, so basically if a organization cannot arrange for such professionals, then it is a difficult thing to maintain. And if the organization doesn't report or does not keep a record of these transactions on a regular basis, then it becomes difficult for them to maintain this method. Otherwise it is always preferable than the cash basis of accounting. Now with this we will end our chapter, and if anyone has any problem they can ask me their doubts. Thank you all.